Well, well. What is this? Okay, okay. Well, we have stream. Um, YouTube. My webcam is not active. Properties. Really need to. There you go. Well, actually, let's go ahead and make a new wallpaper. You know what I'm saying? Um, let's see what ChatGPT can do. Let's see what. Let's see. Damn, that's crazy. Dude, there is a button for it. The heck? Lost my skills. I just swear there's a button. We gotta open it here. What? Why? The hell? No, no. Yo, Luigi. What's up? I gotta fix this chat, I guess. Damn, that's the wrong dimensions. And that looks horrendous. Does it better. Sorry, man. I'm not gonna do the Rush E6 thing. I am actually starting to do a new thing, starting a new chapter in my life. Actually, I got to. This is a live stream, so I mean, I'm gonna edit this probably to turn it into an actual video. But let me just go ahead and start introducing while I'm doing this. I'm kind of. I want to start replacing video games with coding. So to keep me focused on coding and all that, I want to do a live stream so that it's weird, I know, but it feels like somebody's there with me along the way. And maybe in the future there will be somebody there or people there. And you know, at the same time, this is for me so that I can see how I started and how it's going. So for right now, I do not know nothing about anything about this whole entire industry and world. I just want to get into it. Well, I mean, I don't care. I can lose subscribers if you want to unsubscribe. I mean, if you don't want to subscribe anymore, that's fine. You know, it's your choice. Um, in reality, I mean, it's not hurting me at all. No offense taken or anything like that. So, um, but yeah, this is mostly to document my journey, and I want to see how much I've grown. And it's good sometimes to start something, then in the future you go back to it and you see how much you've learned and progress, and it's kind of like a motivation to keep going. Uh, or if you like try to give up and then you see like, damn, I have all these videos that I started to do this, and now I'm not even doing anything with it. So it kind of pushes you to keep going and not give up. Like this is trash though. I don't like this. Come on, ChatGPT, you're failing me. So right now I got a little sidetracked before I even start coding. I don't know why I can't turn this into a background. So this is 100%. Where's 100%? 100%. See? It perfectly can do it. That could be my background right there. That looks pretty sick, doesn't it? Uh, I don't know what happens. Uh, Just want that. Can you make me that? All right, I'll take it. Take it. What does this download as? What is this? Oh, I see you. Edit. Edit. Fixed it. Now we go here. What? Why not? Let's go ahead for that right there. Do print screen right here. Do the sucker. Right. Up to the background. Heck. Why are these black bars here, bro? Not stretching it. Like, whatever, we'll work on the background. Let's go here. Channel. Some of them need some work. Wow, 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 wow. Control F. Man, there's a lot of tags up in here, huh? Why not? Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It goes here. Trying to find a good place for the chat. All right, we're finally good here. Go ahead and let's get to work. Actually, I'm going to be using some music. Hope you guys don't mind the music. My favorite, lo-fi girl. I'm gonna get copyrighted, but I'm not looking to monetize, so. Music is. I don't. There's the music, guys. Okay. All right, guys. So we're now on FreeCodeCamp.org. I just started recently. I'm doing the certs in order. So I'm on the first one, and I'll be going JavaScript, front-end development, library certification. Maybe the music's a little too loud, huh? Music in the background. Make sure I'm louder than the music. All right, so yeah, I'm looking forward to all this stuff. I just want to get as quickly as possible through all these things. Not because it's annoying or boring, but I'm becoming obsessed with this stuff. So here we are. We're building a form, I mean, with HTML and CSS. I'm assuming they want me to write something here. To solve this, you can provide context of what is needed by adding a legend element with text account. Okay. Well, thank you for joining, whoever you are. Yeah. All right. Oh, yeah, I'm not sure if this is like a. Right? Is that what it? Oh, I think I'm right. Then add the checked attribute to the personal input to ensure. It's Justin. All right, bro. Look at me getting it right. Use personal account and business account as values for the respective ID attributes. What? I want something like this. Got it, baby. Oh, I can't see my chat. All right, here, back to this. Step 30, you need to confirm that the user has read the terms and the conditions. Add a label element. Oh, why am I not typing? Rip. Add a label element, a newly created label element, add an input element, and label element, set the type to checkbox. Checkbox, make this input element required. It's required, so the users will agree. Add an ID. Terms dash. Oops, I messed up. Terms dash. Conditions. Or bam. Talking about. Yeah. 46% complete. We're coding till like 2 o'clock in the morning today. Let's do it. I want to start JavaScript, bro. I want to start JavaScript. Add the text. I accept the terms and conditions immediately after the input. Okay. Oh, too good. Oh yeah, boy. Moving on to the final field set. Look at that. What if you wanted to allow a user to upload a profile picture? Well, let's go ahead and add a label. I see the pattern here. Input. Type. File. Nest and input accepting a file upload. Huh. Okay. What do you mean by that? Okay. Apparently it wasn't that complicated. I would rather have this here. Huh? We do this too? They want me to give them money. I give them money when I become a programmer. How about that? If I finish my certs and I get a job, I'll donate money. Add another label. After the first, with the text, input your age. Yeah. Nest an input with type number. Next, add a minimum attribute to the input. Minimum with the value of 13, because users under the age of 13 should not register. Also, users probably will not be over the age of 120. Add max 20. Should be with the value of 120. Okay. Right. It's weird. Okay. Adding a drop down to the form is easy. With the select element is a container for a group of options. What's up? Physics analysis? Analysis? Physics analysis? What's up, bro? Reply to what? Well, thank you for subscribing. Not sure if you already subscribed already. Okay, so we're here. Adding a drop down to form is easy with the select element. The select element is a container for a group of option elements. Options. Start by adding a select element below the two label elements. Okay. Select. All right. So by adding a select element below element, then there's 5 option elements with the and literally just assuming this is how it works. It's 1, 2. Wait, it's faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And select. Did we get this right? Oh, I got it right, baby. No documentation needed. Was it or what was this here? What are you saying? Me completed HTML and CSS. Then me move in JavaScript or Git and GitHub. I'm not sure what you're meaning. Yeah, right now I'm doing the web design certificate. Are you saying you're on the JavaScript one? Yeah, I'm doing the responsive web design certification. The next one I'm gonna do is JavaScript on FreeCodeCamp.org. So. Nest the select element with its option elements within a label. Wow. Is that it? Oh, within a label element with the text. How did you hear about us? By the way, guys, it's literally my first time ever coding. I'm learning this literally right now. And I kind of get it all by common sense to me, I guess. Don't really have to be looking at anything to find out how to do it. The drop down options are currently empty. To give, the content, add the following text to each subscriber. Select one. First option. And oops. Bam. So now we have select one. Boop, 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 boop. Crazy. This looks like a website from back in the 2001 when YouTube was first coming out. They were just, it's crazy how it started. Hypertext language. What does the HTML stand for again? I forgot. Anyone tell me in the chat? Alright, so usually this is all like kind of explaining what you're doing, and then this is what you have to do at the bottom here. So submitting the form with an option selected would not send a useful value to the server. As such, each option needs to be given a value attribute, without which the text content of the option will be submitted to the server. Give the first option value and the subsequent option elements. What do you do? What? Give the first option a value of 0 and the subsequent option elements value attributes from 1 to 4. Oops. What we're doing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam! Bam! The text area element acts like an input element of type text, but comes with the added benefit of being able to receive multi-line text. Okay, this is like a paragraph. An initial number of text rows and columns. Okay, so it says here, users will be able to register with a bio. Add a label with the text, provide a bio. They even give you a space here. Provide a bio. Right. And now we put here at the end of the field set, add a text area. Interesting. Is that what they did? Yes, it's exactly what they wanted. Link the applicable form elements and their label elements together. Use profile picture, age, refer, and bio as values for the respective ID attributes. Okay. So 4 equals profile picture. Or age. Or ref file, but now we need the ID, which ID dunk. Is age. This one. Where? I think I'm doing extra stuff. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I'm doing it right. Oh yeah. Oh, everyone, thanks for tuning in. 60% done on this one. Okay. So this is my first ever episode. I ran out of coffee. Rip. The text area appears too small. To give it an initial size, you can add the rows and columns attributes. Okay, so we go here, rows. 3. And columns. 30. Bam. Let's go. The placeholder accepts a text value, which is displayed until the user starts typing. You get the placeholder. I like the beach. I like coding on the beach. Okay. With form submissions, it is useful and good practice to provide each submittable element with a name attribute. This attribute is used to identify the elements in the form submission. Except for the 2 radio inputs, which you have already named, give each submittable element a unique name attribute for your choosing. Where in the world is that? Okay, name. Okay. Alright, so we got our first input here. First name. Last name. Email. Password. Personal account. Personal account. Right. The ID profile picture. Each. File. Terms and conditions. And we got it. Alright. Alright, 65%. Now we're gonna go back into the design of it, how it looks and stuff. Oops. Did we do that? Right? Oops. Did not. Ah, we did. Note to self. Found family is how you change the font. Okay. Okay, here it is. H1. H1 and P elements by giving them. Oh wait, we're doing design. My bad. What does it want? Margin of 1. What? Then align their text to the center as well. Align text. Did that wrong, huh? Oops. Hey. Almost got it right. Oh, I got it right. I wrote it backwards. Oopsies. I see the people who are playing video games. I have given up. Given up on playing video games. I mean, it's fun and all, but I need to do this, bro. I need to learn how to do this. I need to. I wish this thing tells me how long I've been streaming for. Ow, my ears. That's. Okay. Center the form element. Okay. Give me a margin. 0. Auto. Then fix its size to its maximum width. Maximum width. Wait. And a minimum width. I think it's width max. With minimum? I'm just not even, I don't even know. I guess we'll figure this out. Figure this out together, guys. Between that range, allow it to have a width of 60. What the heck? 60 VW. The hell does that even mean? This is wrong. Max width. Oh, that's the opposite. I keep doing that. Max width. Minimum width. Spread that out. There you go. There you go. So like if we scale this, you see it doesn't get. That's for a phone right there. You see? This is a bug testing. But let's see? See? That's the maximum goals. That's minimum what? Minimum width? So everything starts to. Alright. Let's go right. Right here? I'm just kidding. Start right there. Oh. Hey. Okay. Next. Oops. There you go. Through development, it is useful to see the field set at default borders. However, to make the content appear too separated, remove the border and add 2 rem. Okay, so we're still on the style sheet. Field set. bottom and top. So padding. I'm pretty sure that's not right. You could use either a value of none or 0 to remove border. Okay. Okay, so I know that that's right. So now I have to do here left row. Row. There. Right. But percentage 71%, baby. Let's go. Well, everyone, thank you for tuning in to the stream. It's a pretty chill stream, but if you're tuning in and if you know how to code, that's awesome. I'm trying to get there. I'm learning how to do all this. It's new for me, and it's a whole new journey. This is the first ever live stream I do of me learning how to do this stuff. So I hope you find this interesting or wanna follow along and see me my progress throughout the the start of everything. Who knows? I can become the next prodigy. Who knows? But I mean, okay. I did want to talk about this a little bit. Maybe I could edit this and put it into a video. But the whole reason why I'm so desperate or wanting to do this is because our world is rapidly changing, especially all our jobs and everything. Thank you, man. Thank you, Diven. I hope I'm saying your name right. So we're having a strike coming soon on all our ports, October 1st, and that's going to be a big impact in our economy if they extend for who knows how many days. But the whole thing is they're automating their jobs with robots and basically AI. It's algorithms that work to do things automated. So the crane operators are going to be without a job, and even the truckers, because they already have the ports in LA being automated. But our competitors around the world are already starting to automate all of their ports, and the United States will fall behind if we don't start doing that. And I see it as, yeah, that's problematic for a lot of people that work doing that stuff, but at the same time, it's starting to become more and more noticeable that I think every single person should know how to write some type of code, because we work with machines all over the place in every single industry nowadays. And if it's not just that somebody could just know how to use a computer now you need to learn how to communicate with the machine. and the way we communicate with computers are with programming languages. So we tell the computers to do work for us, basically. So now our work is starting to become easier because we don't have to do the actual physical work, but the computer can end up doing it for us. But you still have to tell the computer what you want it to do. That's where programming comes in. So if you learn how to do programming, you're not going to be without a job, because you're going to make those things work for you. But yeah, that's, who knows, we could start programming drones that can fly on autonomously, or self-driven drones that could fly. We could program it to be at a certain height, use a GPS to get to certain places. We can program it to have traffic flow control, less accidents. It can be at a certain height, they can't pass a certain altitude because they'll have interference with the planes. But if that is controlled, and rather somebody actually flying it themselves, because that's way too much freedom to give somebody, and it's super dangerous. But if the drones, obviously it'll be a lot harder for any random person to just hack the drone and be able to fly it themselves. But that's a whole nother deal. That's where cybersecurity will have to be involved. But the average person going to work or to whatever won't know how to do that. And let's say you have a car, the car can literally get attached to the drone or something, and that drone can fly people to wherever they want. Obviously, it'll be something you charge for or pay for or whatever. But think of that, that'll be crazy. Like, you could just travel wherever you want and get there in a lot less time. I mean, that's way maybe in the future, but I'm just like dreaming about what things we can accomplish if we advance so much doing things like that. I mean, I don't see it that far in the future. I mean, there's already drones, I'm pretty sure, that fly them by themselves, and they're gonna start delivering packages. I mean, sadly, like, people that drive and all that stuff, truckers, that soon as too, it's gonna be, they might be in the truck while it's driving itself, but think about it, it's a lot easier than having to be staying up so many hours and having the truckers sleep deprived and having accidents or things like that, But yeah, those are the things that are going through my mind of why and where I'm heading. My journey is to learning all this, to being involved with all that. It goes so much deeper as this. I mean, obviously I'm nowhere near knowing how to do any of that, but this is the start, I guess. This is the journey. But yeah, back to it. To give the field set elements a bit of separation, select them and give them a border bottom of 3px. Oh wow, look at that. They freaking complete. They padding 2 RAM. They made that a lot easier, huh? Rather than putting all the different freaking, yeah. I had put all the different, yeah. To simplify my code. Border bottom. Wow, it's starting to look fancy. Look at that. Doesn't look like a form from the early 2000s or 1990s. Oh, whoops. I don't want to do that. Check your code. It's good. Alright. So what is this? The border. Got a yawn, bro. All right. The border of the last field set element looks a little out of place. Border of the last field set element looks out of place. You can select the last element of a specific type using the last of type. CSS pseudo class like this. Oop, pretty good. Pretty safe. That will select the last P element. Create a new selector that targets the last field set element and set its border bottom to none. So what we're doing here is field set, and that sucker down here, border bottom. No. Boom. Doing it. It would be nicer to have the label text appear above the form elements. Why do you keep wanting a yawn, bro? Hey, what the hell, dude? I'm not even sleepy. I'm serious. It would be nicer to have the label text appear above the form elements. Select all input text area and select elements and make them take up the full width of their parent elements. So input text area and select so we're gonna do margin. And px 0 0. Is that how we do that? Oops. Where the hell do you get that 100% from? What? What the heck? This looks retarded. That worked apparently, but this looks bad. What the heck is going on here? Why does this look like this? Okay, start by giving the input elements in the second field set. Is that what it was? Should give the first input a class of inline. If that's what it means. Okay, I got that right, but that didn't fix this here. It looks dumb still. Select only the inline elements. Oh, so we're creating one. We put a class. Now we put inline. With unset. Oh, look at that. Fix that, huh? This will remove the earlier rule which set all the input elements to... Ah, you see, you fixed it, huh? You fixed it, huh? Nice. It's pretty sick. This is great. Look at this form. It looks so beautiful. The submit looks huge though. What the heck? Okay. Let's just paste the label text. Margin. Oops. Oops. Margin top. I'm not advanced enough, I guess, to know. Oops. Margin bottom. Wait. Wait a minute. I have to get this right here, bro. Margin top, margin bottom. Margin top. Don't give up. Son of... Okay, I guess we gotta do that. Oh, that's why it's from... Try this again. Oh. Hang in there. Which one about we have to do left, huh? Yeah, we have to do left. Jeez, keep up the work. Yes, please. I need motivation. Where are we? Left. I gotta go since I got work, but I will join tomorrow if you stream. Alright. Sounds good, bro. Thank you. Oh. They want me to give them money. I give you money when I get job. How about that? Okay. So, wow. It was the second one. I can done that. Vertical line, middle. Oh shoot! What happened? It is vertical. What? What happened? Oh, that's that line. Oops. Make the input and text area elements blend in with the background theme. Set their background color. Input text area. Solid border color. Huh. Let me see something. Border. Solid. 1px with. Huh? Oh, that's a goal. We're 83% complete. Currently, if you type in the input or text area elements, you will not be able to see the text. Fix this by setting the color to setting their minimum height to 2M. Wait, currently if you type in, you will not be able to see the text. Okay. Oops. Text color with is that it? Huh. Color. Okay. Height. Height. 2M. Oh, look how good this thing is looking. Ow. This looks ugly though. Can we change this? Looks like doo-doo cakes. His jawline is gonna get crazy sharp. That or check. All right. Step 36. You want the select element to remain with the white background. Where's that here? But now it's not getting the same minimum height as the input. Move the minimum height property and value so that all three element types have the same minimum height. Select element still has a white background. But it does have a white background. What are you talking about? Right here, brother. What? But I don't like that background. Why do you want it to be white? What the hells? To style the submit button, you can use the attribute selector, which selects the element based on given attribute value. Input, name, password. Okay, the above selects input elements with a name attribute, password. Now use the attribute selector to style the submit button with a display of block. Oops. Alright. Oops. Alright. Display. Block. With 60%. Let's try that. Wait, what the heck? Why is this? Oh. Hype. How the hell did you tell me name then? Am I supposed to know that, man? Oh, but now it's not centered. Look at that doo-doo cakes. And this freaking checkbox, why is it so big? Looks horrendous. Yo, thank you for the hearts. I see you guys hitting the hearts. With a display of block, the submit button sits flush against the left edge of its parent. Use the same technique used for the center to center the form to center the submit button. Okay. I sadly do not remember. It's here somewhere. Doses. pretty sure it's this auto, right? Yeah. Yep. That's what it was. Okay, to make the submit button look more in line with the rest of the form, give it the same height. Other fields. And increase the font size to 1.1. Oops, something messed up here. Then I did. Oh, whoops. That's bad. Bam. Okay, make submit button appear more distinct. Give it a background color. Color of white. What's this one? Border. Color. White. Wow, it looks different, guys. It looks so good. Please fill out this form. Okay, feel it set. But and adjust width to never be below 300. Okay. Top and bottom, while leaving the right and left margins set to auto. Never be below. Okay, this is how we do it here. Margin, top and bottom 1. Oh, M. 1 M. Auto. Now we do width. Or minimum. Width. 300. EX. Son of a. You should use the existing margin property to include 1 M on the top and bottom. Oh shoot. Already, my bad. Yeah, I just did that. What? Okay. We have a problem. What? Damn! What? We need to fix this. What's up with that? Most browsers inject their own default CSS properties and values for different elements. If you look closely, you might be able to notice that Input is smaller than the other text input. Put here type. Could be the same padding as the other input elements. Padding. I don't even see padding here. What? Oh, I see. Stupid checkbox still looks dumb. Speaking of padding, the submit button is sitting at the bottom of the form element. At 2M of padding. Bottom of the form. Okay. No way, we're done. Make the input of the terms and conditions inline. Nice. Now, it fixed it. Now we're not done yet. Okay. Almost done. Change the text color of the terms and conditions. Link element to A. A. How do we do this here? Alright. This is like a trick question at the end. Oh my god! What color it is? Alright, terms and conditions. Percent complete, baby. And it's 12 a.m. Well, I think I'm gonna call it successful. Streaming does kind of help because it kind of keeps me makes me want to stay focused to get something accomplished. So glad I did that. Let's go ahead and definitely do not reset. So we're done with this one. Wait, what? What the heck is this? There you go. Dude, I was about to say. Right, done with that. Next stream, we are doing a survey form. This is one of the required projects to earn your certification. This project you will build a survey form to collect data from your users. Holy moly. Instructions. Now this stuff is getting spicy. Then I copy this demo project. It'll be funny, like, you go here, and you do this. We just like copy and paste. Well, at least if you get lost, you could just go in here and check it out, you know? You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. Okay. Okay. You know what? I wanna know what this page looks like. How do I... There you go. Holy moly, what is all this stuff? Holy... That's a lot of stuff. Imagine writing this. I mean, this is crazy. Yeah. But yeah, this is funny. This is the whole prompt. You can literally be like, boom, you're done. And then if you want the style over here, and you're done. Like, obviously, no point of that, but we'll be doing this next time we stream. This is what we're gonna have when we finish, hopefully. Thanks everyone that was tuning in or tuned in. Appreciate it. That is the end of the stream for tonight. Thank you everyone. I appreciate all the new viewers that are coming in. Please subscribe and like this stream, and stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully we can start learning more and getting deeper into things, and maybe start to work on projects and stream that too as well. So that'd be pretty cool. Maybe I can even start making them into like how to make whatever, how to do this, and while I learn how to code and start to work doing coding, I can make content for it at the same time. Who knows? I don't know. It'd be pretty sick. And I also want to give people like that are brand new to coding the perspective of somebody just like them trying to get into it, just like me right now. I'm trying to get into it, and this is how I'm doing it. Just sharing my journey of how to get started. Thanks everyone. See you next time.